Ever had those annoying hiccups interrupt your day? You know, those sudden hic sounds that seem to come out of nowhere? Well, prepare to be amazed as we dive into the fascinating science behind this quirky bodily function. Hi, science enthusiasts. Today we're exploring why we hiccup, and trust me, the answer is more interesting than you might think. Let's start with what actually happens when you hiccup. That hic sound you hear is actually your diaphragm, a muscle beneath your lungs, having a sudden, involuntary spasm. This causes you to quickly suck in air, but here's the twist. Your vocal cords slam shut almost immediately, creating that characteristic hiccup sound. But why does this happen? Well, it turns out hiccups are an ancient reflex that we inherited from our evolutionary ancestors. Believe it or not, hiccups might be a leftover behavior from when our ancestors were transitioning from fish to land animals. The nerve signal pattern that triggers hiccups is remarkably similar to the one that allows fish to pump water over their gills while taking in oxygen. Pretty wild, right? In humans, hiccups can be triggered by various things: eating too quickly, swallowing air while eating, carbonated drinks, sudden excitement, or even stress. Your brain and nervous system play a complex role in this process. The hiccup reflex involves multiple nerves, including the vagus and phrenic nerves, which coordinate this synchronized movement of your diaphragm and vocal cords. Here's something fascinating. Babies in the womb actually hiccup. Scientists believe this might help them practice breathing movements before birth. And get this, even other mammals hiccup. From cats to horses, it's a shared experience across many species. Now, you might be wondering about all those hiccup cures you've heard about. While holding your breath or drinking water upside down might sometimes work, they're not scientifically proven solutions. These remedies often work by disrupting your breathing pattern, which can reset the nerve signals causing the hiccups. Interestingly, prolonged hiccups, known as chronic hiccups, can last for months or even years. The longest recorded case lasted for 68 years. Can you imagine that? Fortunately, most hiccup episodes only last a few minutes to a few hours. Scientists are still studying why we hiccup, and some believe it might serve as a way to protect our airways or help us regulate our breathing when something unexpected happens. While hiccups might seem like just an annoying interruption, they're actually a window into our evolutionary past and the complex way our bodies work. Next time you get the hiccups, remember, you're experiencing an ancient reflex that's been passed down through millions of years of evolution. Thanks for joining me on this fascinating journey through the science of hiccups. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing science explanations.